Good evening, everyone. My name is Patsy. To some of you, I am your Lola, I am your Tita, and I'm your Ate. Anyhow, I'd like to share some of my thoughts and feelings about Ate Edna. So here it is. To my dearest Ate, a tear gently flowing into your right cheek was captured by Mark on his iPhone. It was a snapshot that sent searing aches to our hearts. We knew the end is coming. Tears are associated with sadness or joy. For you, perhaps sadness for the inevitable final farewell to your loved ones, and joy of being freed from the endless lines, tubings, and medications. For us, we were overwhelmed with the unexpected outcome of an installed pacemaker and sadness, the knowledge that your earthly presence is gone forever. Gone, but not forgotten. Out of sight, but not in our hearts. Ate, you are cherished, treasured, valued, and loved. The FB, Facebook postings by the Munoz clans portrayed you as kind, being there for them on the lowest point of their lives. The round-the-clock vigilant care for 28 days by the three musketeers, Aryan, Mark, and William, and sidekicks Neil, Ditas, etc., were an attestation of their own love for you. Love begets love. You left behind a daughter, Chi, in spite of her own adversities, remained resilient and optimistic. As a single mom, you have instilled good values in her. And in turn, William, also known as Earth Angel, and Chi raised Adrian and Mark as caring individuals. They are your greatest gift from God. I too am gifted and blessed during my stay last March and April. Little did I know that reunion after 29 years will be our last. I only have snippets of our time together while growing up. Both of us were the favorites of Lola Munoz from my recollection. Good food and exempted from household chores, I think, were the benefits. I was told to be your chaperone on one of the movie dates with the love of your life, Renato, Chi's dad. Snacks were bribed so much so that I was oblivious of what's going on your occupied seats. Fast forward to March 2025. I collaborated with Chi to surprise you. Initially, you did not want to come to the hotel, but Aryan promised shopping after. Your eyes lighted up and agreed. William, the Uber driver, wheeled you in the hotel room. As he turned the corner, I said hello, and in a small voice, almost a whisper, you responded, hello. Then you realized it was me. Muntik ka nang umiyak. I was struck by your quiet demeanor. You have aged gracefully. But you were still the same ate. Magalitin, masungit, mataray, matigas ang ulo, ayaw mag-wheelchair, maramdamin, kasi iyakin, pero maganda, maputi, matahimik, mabait, at malaki ang puso. A big heart for the Munoz clan. In closing, I want to share with you one of my treasured gifts, a short video of our reunion after 29 years. The tight embrace and the joy of seeing you will be forever etched in my heart. Now it's your turn to soar in the sky and spread your wings to the beyond. It's only the frailty of our earthly eyes prevent us from seeing you, but your memories are etched inside us. Masakit, kasi wala ka na sa buhay namin.
Ay, si Mami.
Amin.
Si Mami na lang. Ay, pagod din ako. Hello. Sabi niya, hi! Hindi niya ako makilala ka. Kaya ako yung kaibigan niya. Sabi niya, hindi daw. Hindi.
Nagalit muna.
Nagalit. Mainit ang ulo